Good morning everybody. This is Body Basics, probably number 5. I've rather lost count, but I wanted to talk about the elbow as this topic has been coming up quite a lot recently, and as well as tension, and it goes, I think, beautifully with Eric's swing stop exercise for bowing. And so there are some fundamental points about the elbow which could be very useful. As we know, this is my assistant, Athene. As we know, there are 3 bones, long bones, in the arm. The upper arm and humerus, and then there's the radius and the ulna. I'm not going to pay attention to the radius today. I just want to talk about the ulna, which is this long bone that comes from the back of the forearm and all the way down to the little finger side of the hand. So if I show you on myself, there's the long bone, the upper arm, the humerus, and then from the point of the elbow all the way to the joint at my wrist on the little finger side is the long bone, the ulna. Now, it's very usual for people to think that the elbow is at the front of the arm, and so you will see people moving their forearms and bending from the front of the arm, which adds a little bit of unnecessary tension. If, however, you understand that this is not part of the forearm, these 2 knobbles that we think of as the funny bone on one side and another slightly awkward funny bone on the other side, is just the bottom end of the humerus, where it fans out and forms a sort of wide triangular base with 2 little knobbles on each side. The anatomical word for those is condyles. Beautiful word. So here in the depths of all the flesh are my 2 condyles here. They don't move when my lower arm is bending and straightening. The thing that moves is the back end of the ulna. So if I put my finger on there, that's where the movement is occurring. It's a little bit like what you call in America a C-wrench. We call it a spanner, just to be clear about that. And it's the back end of the ulna that rotates at the lower end of the humerus. And so when you know that, actually moving from the back of the arm, from the back of the elbow, just makes so much sense. And it becomes soft and easy and light and fluid. There's a lot more to say about the whole of the wing structure and then how we get into bringing the hand from palm up to palm down, but I'm going to leave that for another video. Thank you.